Looking back. 1. Listen and repeat these sentences. Then listen again and link, the final consonants and initial vowels.
1. He's a teacher of English in an urban school.
2. My brother is well informed about local issues.
3. Most Americans use some forms of discipline for their children.
4. The goal of American parents is to help their children to become independent.
5. Her parents even ask for her opinions before they make important decisions.
2. Read the paragraph below and link, the final consonants and initial vowels. Then listen and check your answers.
Being independent is being able to take care of yourself and not having to rely on anyone else. That is what many young people strive for. However, the ability to live independently does not develop naturally. You need a number of life skills to stop relying on your parents and older siblings.